Welcome at the EBV booth at Embedded World 2019. My name is Ralph Lehmann from NXP Semiconductors. I want to show you and guide you through our NXP presentation at EBV booth. First, I want to show you the LS1028A, a device we are launching at this fair. It's our ARM Cortex-A72 cores with 1 or 2 cores and with a built-in TSN switch for industrial communication protocols. Below we have our new LX2160. That's a high-performance computation device with up to 16 A72 cores, up to 2.2 gigahertz per core, and a lot of computation power for high-speed interconnect, multiple 10G Ethernet lines. And beside, we are showing our MPC5777C, an automotive controller with an embedded eTPU made for motor control and other automotive powertrain applications. On this spot, we are showing our microcontroller offerings, and here a special focus on the iDynamics RT family, our 1064 device with built-in 4 megabit of embedded flash on the device, but also the RT1020, a lower performance, lower cost device in this family. What we are showing on the right hand side, it's a new member of our KE1Z family. That's a family with a 5-volt supply for harsh environments and for touch sensing. And below, that's a small application built by EBV. That's our newest launched LPC5500 device, a new microcontroller with an M33 core and an adaptation with an NFC reader and a 2G modem for cloud application, sensor applications. On this stand we are showing our MPU offerings, our iDynamics 8 family, the newest member of the iDynamics 8M family, the Mini. That's a MPU capable of decoding and encoding videos. We are showing this on the screen. In the middle we have also a solution by our partner, Case & Cup. He's showing the precept computation board and a base board. Although on the left hand we have a video demo by Case & Cup showing graphics on iDynamics 8. And on the left hand side, the recently launched iDynamics 7 ULP, a low-cost device from the iDynamics family with a Cortex-A core and a Cortex-M core in one device.